The episode opens with her pursuing Peter, a disillusioned car designer, showcasing her skills in recognizing potential and offering a lifeline to revive his career. Ji-yoon presents herself as a savior, promising to resurrect Peter's forgotten brilliance and propel him to new heights. This encounter highlights the allure of ambition, the promise of recognition, success, and a renewed sense of purpose. However, Ji-yoon's relentless pursuit of success comes at a cost. Her colleagues at P+ perceive her as cold and detached, a perception reinforced by her dismissal of concerns about employee turnover and her reluctance to foster a more collaborative environment. Mi-ae, the company's CFO, voices these concerns, urging Ji-yoon to cultivate a more human approach. This advice, however, falls on deaf ears as Ji-yoon remains fixated on achieving her goals, prioritizing business over personal connection. The arrival of Yoonho introduces a new dynamic to the narrative. Confident and charismatic, Yoonho commands attention wherever he goes. But beneath the polished exterior lies a softer side, a devoted single father raising his daughter, Beul. This duality underscores the complexities of his character, showcasing the internal conflict between his professional aspirations and his paternal responsibilities. Yoonho's entry into the scene disrupts Ji-yoon's pursuit of Hojin, a skilled hardware engineer at Henshu Electronics. Their initial encounter is marked by a tense power struggle, with Yoonho viewing Ji-yoon as a threat and Ji-yoon defending her actions as legitimate business practices. This clash highlights the competitive nature of the corporate world, where personal agendas and professional ambitions often intertwine. As the episode progresses, the rivalry between Ji-yoon and Yoonho intensifies. Ji-yoon remains laser-focused on her professional goals, while Yoonho grapples with the demands of both his career and his family. A poignant scene depicts Yoonho choosing to prioritize his daughter's health over an urgent work project, defying his boss, Yang, and highlighting his unwavering commitment to his family. This act of defiance, however, strains his professional relationship with Yang, who views it as a sign of unprofessionalism. Ji-yoon, meanwhile, continues to navigate the challenges of her role, struggling to connect with her colleagues and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Her cold, business-oriented demeanor alienates her from her peers, leading to feelings of isolation and a growing sense of disconnect. This isolation, however, is not merely a social consequence, it reflects a deeper internal struggle, a yearning for human connection that remains unfulfilled amidst her relentless pursuit of success. The stakes escalate as Hojin's potential transfer to China looms large. Ji-yoon, realizing that her actions may have inadvertently contributed to this decision, grapples with a growing sense of regret. The realization that her pursuit of professional success has unintended consequences deeply affects her, forcing her to confront the ethical implications of her actions. Yoonho, too, faces the consequences of his choices. His efforts to prevent Hojin's departure, while successful, create unforeseen complications. Both Ji-yoon and Yoonho find themselves caught in a web of their own making, realizing that their actions have far-reaching implications beyond their initial intentions. The episode concludes on a somber note. Ji-yoon, grappling with the weight of her ambition and its unintended consequences, questions the cost of her success. Yoonho, torn between his professional aspirations and his paternal responsibilities, faces an uncertain future. Episode 2 picks up with Yoonho and Baewol at the hospital. Dr. Baewol reassures Yoonho that his daughter is fine and that further therapy is unnecessary. She encourages him to spend quality time with Baewol for the next year. As a gift for Baewol, Dr. Baewol presents a beautifully illustrated book she personally created. Yoonho is overjoyed. Later, Yoonho and Baewol visit Kang-sok, a friend of Yoonho's. Baewol invites Kang-sok and her daughter, Miha, over for dinner. During their conversation, Kang-sok reveals that she and her husband divorced when their daughter was just a year old. She also mentions that her company is seeking a new secretary. Back at home, Yoonho and Baewol prepare dinner together. Unexpectedly, visitors arrive. Miha introduces her colleague, Ji-an, to Yoonho and Baewol. During the dinner, Ji-an receives a call from the police. While on the phone, she notices several details in her surroundings, hinting at her keen observational skills. The next day, Ji-an arrives for her interview at Kang-sok's company. However, she quickly feels overwhelmed and apologizes for her unpreparedness, offering to leave. Yoonho, impressed by her honesty and acknowledging the company's past shortcomings, encourages her to stay. Despite her initial hesitation, Ji-an agrees to give it a try. Later, Ji-an discovers that her heels are missing. Yoonho, noticing her distress, returns them to her. This small act of kindness doesn't go unnoticed by Mi-ae, Kang-sok's business partner. Seeing Ji-an's potential, Mi-ae offers her the secretary position, promising to increase Yoonho's salary significantly and personally manage Baewol's care. Reluctantly, Yoonho accepts. Mia officially introduces Ji-eun as Yoonho's new secretary. During a company event, Ji-eun catches the attention of an employee who attempts to impress her. However, Ji-eun remains unfazed. Mia observes this interaction and later confronts Ji-eun about her dismissive attitude. Ji-eun, feeling overwhelmed and stressed, snaps at Mia, expressing her dislike for Yoonho. Undeterred, Mia begins to closely observe Ji-eun's preferences and work style. She gathers information about Ji-eun's preferred coffee order and even discovers her favorite book author, Soo-yoon. Soo-yoon, a budding novelist, dreams of becoming a bestseller. She is thrilled to learn that Baewol enjoys her books. At a bookstore, Soo-yoon encounters Yoonho and mentions her aspiration to write a best-selling novel. Coincidentally, Soo-yoon later discovers a copy of her book in her bag, a seemingly insignificant detail that she believes brings good luck. Back at the office, Ji-eun struggles to adjust to her new role. She repeatedly calls Yoonho, but he doesn't answer. Frustrated, she confronts Yoonho about his lack of communication. Their conversation escalates, with Ji-eun expressing her dislike for him and accusing him of disrespecting her work. Yoonho apologizes for his past behavior and acknowledges his lack of knowledge about office etiquette. He even offers to learn from her. Intrigued by Yoonho's genuine apology, Ji-eun begins to observe him more closely. She notices his meticulous attention to detail, such as fixing a loose door and carefully selecting new flowers for the office. One evening, Ji-eun recalls a painful memory of her deceased father, who had promised to always be there for her. This memory triggers a wave of sadness and anger. The next day, Ji-eun witnesses a near accident involving Yoonho and a falling object. Yoonho, quick on his feet, saves Ji-eun from potential injury. This unexpected act of heroism leaves Ji-eun momentarily speechless. Later, Ji-eun discovers that her previous employer, Haejim, has been sabotaging her career by stealing potential clients. Confronting Haejim, Ji-eun warns her to stop her malicious actions. Haejim, shaken by Ji-eun's assertiveness, retreats. Ji-eun, while observing Yoonho interacting with Baewol, is deeply affected by the sight of father and daughter bonding. This unexpected emotional response leaves her pondering the complexities of her own past and the possibility of finding happiness in the present. Hajin, an employee, sits in the CEO's chair, belonging to Young-hoon. Ji-hoon enters and confronts Hajin about his dismissal by Young-hoon. Hajin blames Ji-hoon for not keeping quiet about the company's actions, claiming they were merely victims of a fraudulent investor company. Ji-hoon argues that they cannot remain silent, as the company's actions jeopardize the livelihoods of their employees. The scene shifts to Ji-hoon at a hospital, seemingly grieving. Hajin visits and accuses Ji-hoon of causing the death of someone, implying responsibility for a tragic event. The present day, Ji-hoon and Yoonho are visibly upset. Yoonho suggests going to the hospital, but Ji-hoon insists on eating. While dining, Ji-hoon notices Yoonho's lack of appetite and assures them that what he said earlier was not meant to be taken seriously. Barisini, another character, recalls a past argument with Jeevani, regretting her harsh words. She encourages Jeevani to work together in the future. Yoonho, despite disliking spicy food, forces themselves to eat, leading to discomfort and a comical scene. Jung-hoon, another character, calls Mihi, informing her that Ji-hoon has gone to meet Hajin. Jung-hoon recalls a previous encounter where he saw Ji-hoon and Hajin together. Later, Ji-hoon is seen working late at night. They remember a shared candy with Yoonho and feel a pang of guilt for their past offense. At the company, Ji-hoon, now a team leader, addresses their team about a past mistake involving candy. They emphasize the importance of honesty and accountability. The next project requires them to find a suitable hotel safe. Ji-hoon is tasked with creating a candidate list. Jang-hoon visits a kindergarten, where he encounters his sister, Soo-yoon, who is the principal. Their interaction reveals a complex family dynamic and Jung-hoon's persistent attempts to connect with his sister. Back at the company, Ji-hoon's employees work late to complete the candidate list. Yoonho arrives with pizza for the team, showcasing his considerate nature. Ji-hoon and Mia also arrive, and everyone relaxes. Mia praises Yoonho for his kindness and his care for his employees. Ji-hoon and Yoonho, while working together, seem to cross a professional line. Ji-hoon meets with a potential safe supplier and presents their recommendation. However, she has a condition: her assistant, Hyeng, must accompany her. Yoonho, unexpectedly, helps Hyeng with her work, impressing her with his dedication. Ji-hoon encounters Bol, a young boy at a shop. Bol, initially hesitant to share his book, eventually allows Ji-hoon to read it. Their playful banter reveals Bol's intelligence and Ji-hoon's unexpected fondness for him. Ji-hoon and Yoonho have a deeper conversation. Ji-hoon opens up about her past and confesses to judging Yoonho unfairly. Yoonho admits to his own preconceived notions about Jihoon. Another character is shown going through a difficult time. She struggles to overcome a personal setback and seeks solace in her work. Back at the company, an employee informs Jihoon about a potential conflict between Jangwon and Hyeng. Jihoon discovers that Jangwon has a hidden disability and needs Hyeng's assistance. Jihoon and Yoonho share a coffee and engage in a more personal conversation. They discuss their past experiences and learn more about each other. Jihoon and Yoonho's interactions become increasingly intimate. They share a moment of vulnerability, and Jihoon expresses concern for Yoonho's well-being. Jihoon and Bol share a moment of connection. Hyeng, inspired by Jihoon's encouragement, pursues her own career goals, with Ji-Yoo and Yoonho navigating a rainy day. Yoonho, ever the attentive gentleman, offers Ji-Yoo his umbrella and promises to fetch the car. However, Ji-Yoon's compassionate nature is evident as she notices children struggling in the rain and shares her food with them. This act of kindness is observed by a young girl, who praises Ji-Yoon's selfless act, subtly suggesting that perhaps she should try it herself. Later, Ji-Yoo confides in Ji-Hoo about her interaction with Maggie, the schoolgirl. Ji-Hoo, ever the pragmatist, questions the seriousness of Ji-Yoon's concern, reminding her that her primary focus should not be on the well-being of others. Ji-Yoo, however, explains that acts of kindness bring her a sense of fulfillment, mirroring the satisfaction she derives from enjoying good food. The episode then shifts focus to Yoonho, who discreetly observes Ji-Yoo and leaves an umbrella for her. Ji-Yoo, touched by this gesture, enjoys the rain while appreciating Yoonho's thoughtfulness. The narrative then transitions to a professional setting, where Ji-Yoo encounters Haejim, a formidable figure in the industry. Haejim, seemingly envious of Ji-Yoon's success, attempts to undermine her by suggesting that Ji-Yoo stay away from an upcoming academy event. Ji-Yoo, however, firmly asserts her independence and rebukes Haejim for her attempts to tarnish Yoonho's reputation. The episode further explores the power dynamics between Ji-Yoo and Yoonho. While Yoonho initially appears to be the dominant figure, Ji-Yoo gradually asserts her own agency, challenging his assumptions and pushing him to be more open and vulnerable. A significant portion of the episode focuses on workplace dynamics and the challenges of navigating professional relationships. We witness instances of office politics, with colleagues vying for recognition and resources. Yoonho, caught in the middle of a conflict between two employees, struggles to maintain impartiality while also supporting his team. The episode also delves into the complexities of personal relationships, showcasing the subtle ways in which individuals express affection and navigate emotional intimacy. Yoonho, while initially hesitant to express his feelings, gradually reveals his deeper emotions through small gestures and thoughtful actions. The narrative takes a poignant turn as Ji-Yoo confronts the tragic past of a former employee who took his own life due to workplace pressure. This event serves as a stark reminder of the human cost of ambition and the importance of prioritizing mental well-being.